Okay, so here is H19. I am under a pine tree and here comes the H15 light engine move. And H19 is coming. It's gonna be a pretty sweet meet between H19 and H15. Look at that. Horndle. K5LA Horndle, everybody. Very weird that they put the 7026 in front of the SD70 ACU. The SD70 ACU could have led back to Enola, you know. There's the end of H19. Now to check them crossing signals going up. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Another tree branch swipe. Okay. There goes the crossing signals. The crossing signals are about to go back up. That was H15 and H19. Hope you enjoyed, everybody.